Hey friends, if you wish to stop certain apps from running at startup, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So one method is through the task manager. Search for task manager and then open it. And then you can go to the startups tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you will find a lot of options here. And if anything is enabled, okay, select it according to status. If anything is enabled, that means it will open on startup. To disable it, right click on it and select disable. This is one way. The next one is, let's say that I need to do it for WhatsApp. So I will search for it and expand this menu here. I'll go to app settings. Okay. And I will let it load. And then I will scroll down and then there's something which says runs at login. If this is enabled, it means it will run at login. If it is disabled, it will not run at login. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.